scientists have proposed a breakthrough idea to give Mars a magnetic shield, potentially transforming the planet into a more habitable environment for future human missions. But several concepts have been proposed by researchers to protect Mars from harmful cosmic and solar radiation by generating a magnetic field. One of the most discussed proposals is placing a large magnetic dipole at the Mars-Sun Lagrange point 1 L1, which is located between Mars and the Sun. This is a point where gravitational forces and the orbital motion of Mars balance out. The magnetic dipole would generate a powerful magnetic field that would deflect solar wind particles, similar to how Earth's magnetic field protects it. This shield would encompass the planet, protecting its atmosphere and surface. Building and maintaining such a structure in space would require significant energy, materials, and technology. It would need to be stable and durable, enough to withstand space conditions for centuries. Another idea is to install a series of large electromagnetic generators on Mars' surface to create a localized magnetic field around certain key regions like human settlements. These powerful electromagnets would generate fields to shield local areas from solar radiation. While this wouldn't cover the entire planet, it could protect important areas where humans are living and working. The power requirements would be immense, and this wouldn't address long-term atmospheric erosion from the solar wind, only providing localized protection. This concept involves building a ring of superconducting materials around Mars' equator, which would carry a massive electric current and generate a magnetic field. The current would create a dipole field similar to Earth's, albeit on a much smaller scale. The charged ring could potentially create a global shield. Constructing such a structure and maintaining the required current levels in the harsh environment of space and Mars would be an enormous technological challenge. This proposal involves restarting Mars' internal dynamo, which is thought to have generated a magnetic field billions of years ago. In theory, by injecting large amounts of energy, perhaps via nuclear or geothermal means into Mars' core, the molten iron and nickel could be remobilized to create a magnetic field similar to Earth's. This would require unprecedented engineering on a planetary scale and a deep understanding of Mars' internal structure. It may also not be possible, as Mars' smaller size compared to Earth may prevent such a dynamo from being reactivated. Instead of a direct magnetic shield, increasing Mars' atmosphere through terraforming could provide natural protection by thickening the atmosphere, which would deflect radiation in a manner similar to how Earth's atmosphere does. Introducing greenhouse gases or other methods of thickening Mars' atmosphere would reduce solar radiation and cosmic ray exposure.